Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by removing the band or positioning the watch face down on a soft towel. Use the case opener to unscrew or pry off the back. Once done, set the back plate aside. Make sure you note the orientation of the movement and any rubber gaskets so you can reseal correctly. If clips or screws hold the battery, remove them carefully with the small screwdriver. Keep the old battery visible to read its code. That code determines the replacement you buy. Once the old cell is exposed, use plastic tweezers or a non-metal tool to lift it free. You do this to avoid shorting the contacts. After removing the battery, compare the codes and place the new cell in the same orientation, positive side up unless noted otherwise, and seat it without forcing. Reinstall any retaining bracket or tiny screw, and ensure the contact spring lies flat against the battery. If the movement has a plastic spacer or insulating tab, return it exactly where it started. With the new battery in place, check the rubber gasket and lightly coat it with silicone grease if it seems dry. This helps maintain water resistance. Reposition the case back and either press it home with even pressure or screw it down in its original pattern. Make sure nothing is pinched and the gasket remains seated. Set the time and confirm the watch starts. Afterward, watch it over a day to verify continuous running. If it fails to run, clean contacts gently and recheck battery orientation as a first fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.